A blessed day to you, cherished learners. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating topic of a journey through selected styles and movements in Western art. Take a moment to relax, get comfortable, and prepare for an enriching experience that will expand your horizons and deepen your appreciation of this captivating subject. As always, your well-being is our top priority, so please take care and stay safe. May you always be showered with divine blessings. Welcome aboard the Teacher Lumabon YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Realism, a mid-19th century art movement focused on a naturalistic approach to subject matter. Realist artists sought to depict everyday life and ordinary people with truth and accuracy, often highlighting the struggles of the working class. Characteristics include detailed depiction, subdued color palettes, and an emphasis on natural light and texture. Prominent artists, Gustave Courbet, Jean-François Millet, Honoré d'Aumire. Realismo, isang kilusang sining sa kalagitnaan ng ika-19 na siglo na nakatuon sa isang naturalistikong diskarte sa paksa. Hinangad ng mga realistang artista na ilarawan ng pang-araw-araw na buhay at mga ordinaryong tao ng may katotohanan at katumpakan, na kadalasang binibigyang diin ang mga pakikibaka ng uring manggagawa. Kasama sa mga katangian ng detalyadong paglalarawan, mahinang mga palet ng kulay, at isang diin sa natural na liwanag at texture. Mga kilalang artista, Gustave Courbet, Jean-François Millet, Honoré d'Aumire. Impressionism. Originating in late 19th century France, this style revolutionized traditional painting methods. Paintings were often created outdoors, in plain air, to capture natural light and its changing qualities. Brushstrokes were rapid and visible, and the use of light or pastel colors evoked a sense of immediacy and vibrancy. Focused on scenes of modern life and landscapes. Prominent artists, Claude Monet, Edgar Degas, Pierre-Auguste Renoir. Impresyonismo. Nagmula sa huling bahagi ng ika-19 na siglo ng France, binago ng istilong ito ang mga tradisyonal na pamamaraan ng pagpipinta. Ang mga pintura ay madalas na nilikha sa labas, in plain air, upang makuha ang natural na liwanag at ang mga nagbabagong katangian nito. Mabilis at nakikita ang mga brushstroke at ang paggamit ng liwanag o mga kulay na pastel ay nagdulot ng pakiramdam ng pagiging mad-alien at sigla. Nakatuon sa mga eksena ng modernong buhay at mga landscape. Mga kilalang artista, Claude Monet, Edgar Degas, Pierre-Auguste Renoir. Expressionism, a modernist movement that emerged in the early 20th century, emphasizing the expression of inner emotions and personal perspectives. Artists used vibrant, often non-naturalistic colors and distorted forms to convey intense emotional experiences. Themes often included anguish, alienation, and psychological depth. Prominent artists, Edvard Munch, Wassily Kandinsky, Egon Schiele. Expressionism, isang modernistang kilusan na lumitaw noong unang bahagi ng ika-20 siglo na nagbibigay diin sa pagpapahayag ng panloob na damdamin at personal na pananaw. Gumamit ang mga artista ng makulay, kadalasang hindi natural na mga kulay at mga baluktot na anyo upang maghatid ng matinding emosyonal na mga karanasan. Ang mga tema ay kadalasang kasama ang dalamhati, paghihiwalay, at psikolohikal na lalim. Mga kilalang artista, Edvard Munch, Wassily Kandinsky, Egon Schiele. Abstract art, a style that developed in the early 20th century, characterized by non-representational or non-figurative imagery. Focused on shapes, colors, lines, and forms rather than realistic representation. Abstract works may involve distortion, simplification, or a total departure from recognizable forms. Prominent artists, Piet Mondrian, Jackson Pollock, Mark Rothko. Abstract art, isang estilo na nabuo noong unang bahagi ng ika-20 siglo na nailalarawan sa pamamagitan ng hindi representasyon o hindi matalinghagang imahe. Nakatuon sa mga hugis, kulay, linya, at anyo sa halip na makatotohanang representasyon. Ang mga abstract na gawa ay maaaring may kasamang pagbaluktot, pagpapasimple, o kabuoang pag-alis mula sa mga nakikilalang anyo. Mga kilalang artista, Piet Mondrian, Jackson Pollock, Mark Rothko. Dada or Dadaism, a radical art movement that arose during World War I as a reaction against the perceived meaninglessness of traditional values and culture. Dada artists created anti-art, often using unconventional materials and methods to provoke thought and challenge norms. Collage, assemblage, and ready-mades were common techniques. Prominent artists, Marcel Duchamp, Hannah Hoke, Tristan Tzara. Dada o Dadaismo, isang radikal na kilusan ng sining na lumitaw noong unang digmaang pandaigdig bilang isang reaksyon laban sa inaakalang kawalan ng kabuluhan ng mga tradisyonal na halaga at kultura. Ang mga artista ng Dada ay lumikha ng anti-art, kadalasang gumagamit ng hindi kinaugalian ng mga materyales at pamamaraan upang pukawin ang pag-iisip at harmonin ang mga pamantayan. Ang collage, assemblage, at ready-made ay karaniwang mga pamamaraan. Mga kilalang artista, Marcel Duchamp, Hannah Hoke, Tristan Tzara. Surrealism. Originating in the 1920s, Surrealism sought to explore the unconscious mind, dreams, and imagination. Artists used unexpected juxtapositions, dreamlike imagery, and symbolic objects to tap into subconscious thoughts. Strongly influenced by psychoanalysis and Freudian theories. Prominent artists, Salvador Dali, René Magritte, Max Ernst. Surrealismo. Nagmula noong 1920s, hinanggad ng surrealism na tuklasin ang walang malay na isip, panaginip, at imahinasyon. Gumamit ang mga artista ng mga hindi inaasahang paghahambing, malapanaginip na imahe, at mga simbolikong bagay upang magtap sa mga hindi malay na kaisipan. Malakas na naiimpluwensyahan ng psychoanalysis at Freudian theories. Mga kilalang artista, Salvador Dali, René Magritte, Max Ernst. Pop art. Emerging in the 1950s and 1960s, pop art centered on imagery from popular culture, mass media, and consumerism. It celebrated everyday objects and commercial art, often using bold colors, iconic symbols, and repetition. Themes included irony, satire, and commentary on modern society. Prominent artists, Andy Warhol, Roy Lichtenstein, Richard Hamilton. Pop art. Umuusbong noong 1950s at 1960s, nakasentro ang pop art sa mga imahe mula sa kulturang popular, mass media, at consumerism. Ipinagdiwang nito ang mga pang-araw-araw na bagay at komersyal na sining, kadalasang gumagamit ng mga bold na kulay, iconic na simbolo, at pag-uulit. Kasama sa mga tema ang irony, satire, at komentaryo sa modernong lipunan. Mga kilalang artista, Andy Warhol, Roy Lichtenstein, Richard Hamilton. Social realism. An art movement with roots in the 1930s, portraying social and racial injustices, economic struggles, and the lives of working-class people. Marked by its commitment to realism and its focus on social problems, often with political undertones. Artists aim to inspire awareness and social change through their work. Prominent artists, Diego Rivera, Ben Shahn, Jacob Lawrence. Realismong panlipunan. Isang kilusang sining na nag-ugat noong 1930s na naglalarawan ng mga kawalang katarungang panlipunan at lahi, mga pakikibaka sa ekonomiya, at ang buhay ng mga taong nagtatrabaho. Minarkahan ang pangako nito sa pagiging totoo at ang pagtutok nito sa mga problemang panlipunan, kadalasang may mga pampulitikang paniniwala. Nilalayo ng mga artista na magbigay ng inspirasyon sa kamalayan at pagbabago sa lipunan sa pamamagitan ng kanilang trabaho. Mga kilalang artista, Diego Rivera, Ben Shahn, Jacob Lawrence.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. Thank you. And God bless you always.
I hope you found a lecture on music, arts, physical education, and health, lecture notes insightful, and gained new knowledge. If you found value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. We welcome your feedback, questions, and suggestions, which you can leave in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning into Teacher Lumaban's YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. May God bless you always.